What is up and welcome to another video. Today is Wednesday and we'll talk about Bitcoin, guys, and also some of your chart requests on my previous video. If you're enjoying this kind of content, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell. So going back to the Bitcoin's chart, if you have watched my previous analysis about Bitcoin and told you that Bitcoin could probably retest the $116,000. And thank you so much. We have KM Del Rosario. Thanks, Chill. Appreciate your content. Thank you so much. We have also from Bubal Brahim Chill for the recognition. It's all love and unite. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, guys. You're the best. We have also, thank you, Chill. You've been a good torture to us. I don't know what that means, but I will take it as a compliment. Thank you so much, Chill. Always the first. Engineer Bilal Rashad is requesting, hey mate, please can you check Pepe weekly time frame? We'll check it out today. Yamis Sumardi is requesting for Sui. So let's talk about Sui. Let's check out Pepe weekly time frame in this video, guys. But first, let's talk about Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is what I've told you. The ideal breakout target of this consolidation here will be around 110 up to $108,000, which is right now playing out. And that's what you can see yesterday or on my previous video. I told you that Bitcoin could retest the $116,000, which was the previous support here, and that level will now act as a resistance. So if you're going to look at this chart, guys, it looks like that Bitcoin is forming a bear flag here. And let's try to check what will be the possible breakout target of this bear flag. So we have a pole, we have a possible flag here. So we'll drag this pole down here. So that will give us a target of 109. Let's say $110,000. $110,000. That's going to be the target for this bear flag, guys. And it is still possible. Right now, Bitcoin is on the middle zone. This will act as a short-term resistance. So that is why Bitcoin is having a hard time breaking that 114,600 level. That's going to be the first resistance. In my opinion, right now, Bitcoin is forming this possible bear flag. So the breakout target of this bear flag is in confluence with our bigger picture Bart Simpson pattern, which is around 110 up to $108,000. And that is in confluence with the previous resistance, guys. We have this zone as the previous pivot zone, guys. So this will act as a support for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. So I'm expecting a possible retest. Again, same zone, guys. 115,600 or up to 116,400. That will be the zone for this possible bear flag. So let's check out Pepe weekly time frame. Let me know in the comment section, guys, what do you think? Do you think Bitcoin will still break above the $116,000, so $117,000? So will Bitcoin be able to reclaim that? Because if Bitcoin will be able to reclaim or flip the 117,000 as discussed on my previous video, then this bearish scenario will be invalidated. Right now, we are in a downtrend. Let's go check out Pepe weekly time frame. So chart request from Rashad. So let's go to the weekly time frame. So if you're going to look at the weekly time frame, we have a beautiful support trend line right there on the weekly time frame. Let's go check out the oscillator. So in my opinion, this is critical for the rest of the altcoins, guys, because if Bitcoin is going to, if that bear flag from Bitcoin is going to play out, then majority of the altcoins will follow. So as what you can see here in the lower time frame, we have actually a beautiful support trend line. So if Bitcoin will bounce and retest the $116,000, then Pepe in the immediate short term, we have a resistance zone here. This looks like a ascending triangle pattern, and right now the price is hovering near that support. So if Bitcoin will retest the $116,000, then it could be a good opportunity to for the price of Pepe to bounce near the support trend line. But if you're going to look at the weekly time frame, the bigger picture, if you're going to zoom out, we have a symmetric or ascending triangle pattern. Right now the price is in the middle zone, so it is still likely that the price would drop back to the bigger support trend line on the weekly time frame before it bounce back up. So probably we'll do this kind of price action if the price breaks down below the support. But if you're going to look at the daily time frame, we have a smaller symmetrical triangle pattern, and the price right now is hovering on that support zone. So probably this could be a good long entry point for Pepe. Risk to reward ratio will give us 10% versus 46%, and we have also a bullish divergence on the oscillator. Let's go check out SUI. So for SUI, we have let's remove all the drawings first. All right. So it looks like similar price action to Pepe. We have a bullish divergence on the chart prime. Oscillator Pro, one of the best paid indicator in the market. This is the only indicator that I am using in all of my charts. So right now we have a symmetrical triangle pattern. So for or ascending triangle pattern. So for SUI, I would probably wait for the price to drop a little bit around 2, because we have a support right there. Right now the price is on the middle zone, guys. Let's try to check the risk to reward ratio. Right, so probably we will wait a little bit for the price to probably hover near the support trend line. Let's try to go check out the lower time frame. So same, guys, on the lower time frame we have a bullish divergence. If you're going to consider the risk to reward ratio, if you're going to buy at the current price, this is the middle zone. The risk to reward ratio is almost 50-50, guys. So you need to consider the risk to reward ratio. If this bullish divergence will play out, then probably we'll get a bounce near the middle zone. We have actually a bullish order block at around this level right here. So the higher the price, the bigger the risk compared to the reward. So if the price will drop to the support trend line, then you will have a good risk to reward ratio here. Middle zone, you'll have 50% risk, 50% reward. So thank you so much for joining me today, guys. If you have any chart requests, drop them in the comment section down below. We'll do a TA on my next video. Let me know your thoughts about Bitcoin. Do you think we are going to see a huge correction in the coming days, or do you think we are still aiming for that possible all-time high and a possible continuation of alt season? Let me know, guys, in the comment section down below, and thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.